In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize tabs on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the customization options need to be changed directly from the page you manage, not from your personal profile. After that, open the Facebook business page that you want to customize. When the page loads, look near the top area of the page for the More drop-down menu. Click on More to open the additional options for your page. From that menu, select Manage Sections. This will open the section management window, where Facebook lets you control which parts of your business page are visible. Inside the Manage Sections window, take a moment to review the list of available sections. These are the tabs or content areas that can appear on your page. You can decide which ones should be shown and which ones should stay hidden based on how you want your business page to look. To display a section on your page, check the box next to it. To hide a section, uncheck the box. Go through the list carefully and continue selecting or deselecting sections until your page is arranged the way you want. Once you are happy with the setup, click Save to apply your changes. Saving will update the visible sections for that Facebook business page. After the changes are saved, close the Manage Sections window. Then return to your Facebook business page so you can confirm that the updates have been applied correctly. Look through the page and verify that the sections you wanted to show are now visible and the ones you removed are no longer displayed. In some cases, Facebook may take a moment to display the new layout, so a quick refresh helps load the latest version of the page. That is the full process for customizing tabs or sections on a Facebook business page in 2026. By adjusting these sections, you can keep your page organized and make sure visitors see the information that matters most. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.